Hello and welcome to SoftSol Journey. Today we're diving into a 10-minute joyful heart meditation. This session is designed to uplift your spirit, cultivate joy, and create a space for happiness to blossom. Find a comfortable spot and let's begin. As you settle into a comfortable position, close your eyes gently. Take a moment to release any tension and arrive fully in the present moment. Today's meditation is an invitation to connect with the joy that resides within your heart. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your chest and abdomen to expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any stress. With each breath, create a sense of spaciousness within, making room for joy to enter. Visualize a warm, radiant light at the center of your chest, your heart center. This light is the essence of joy, and with each breath, see it growing brighter and more vibrant. Feel the warmth spreading throughout your entire being. We'll use affirmations to amplify the joy within. Repeat after me. My heart is a reservoir of joy. I attract joy into every aspect of my life. I am open to the abundance of happiness that surrounds me. Bring to mind a moment when you felt pure joy. It could be a memory, an experience, or even a simple pleasure. Allow the feelings of joy to wash over you, relishing in the positivity and happiness of that moment. As we continue, let each breath become a celebration of joy. Inhale, drawing in the energy of joy. Exhale, releasing any remaining tension. Feel the rhythm of joy infusing every cell of your body with positivity and light. For the next few minutes, I invite you to immerse yourself in silent meditation. Focus on your breath and the radiant light at your heart center. Allow the joy to expand, filling your entire being. Embrace this time of pure, unbridled joy. As we transition, let's reinforce our affirmations for joy. Repeat after me. I am a magnet for joyful experiences. My heart overflows with happiness. I choose joy in every moment. Visualize the light at your heart center expanding, radiating joy beyond your body, touching the space around you. Feel the energy of joy connecting you to the world, creating a harmonious and uplifting atmosphere. As we conclude this 10-minute joyful heart meditation, take a final deep breath, appreciating the joy you've cultivated. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of joy with you, allowing it to guide your steps and brighten your day. Thank you for joining me in this celebration of joy. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more moments of positivity. Until then, may your heart be filled with joy and light. Namaste.